Hello friends, welcome to Edufy India. My name is Himanshi Sharma. Friends, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. This video is for class 4 English and today we will look into the lesson Neha's Alarm Clock from NCERT book Marigold. In the previous video you have already seen musical and colorful explanation of the lesson. Now in this video we will see difficult words and their usage in sentences, question answers, NCERT exercise and worksheet. So let's get started. Let's see difficult words from this lesson one by one. First word is snuggle. Its meaning is to be in a comfortable position. For example, the boy snuggled close to his teddy. You know students, sometimes snuggle and cuddle are used interchangeably. Now can you make sentence by using this word snuggle? Here is a hint for you. There is a mother and her baby. Now you have to think and make a sentence using this word. Next word is mutters. Its meaning is to say something in low voice. For example, Tia always mutters in the class. Can you make sentence by using this word mutters? Here is a hint for you. Who is she? She is a maid, a household worker. Now you think about this picture and make a sentence. Now let's come to the next word. Next word is windowsill. You know students, what is a windowsill? The bottom part of the window is called windowsill. For example, there is a pot kept on the windowsill. Now here you can see the pot which is placed on the windowsill. Can you make sentence by using this word windowsill? Here is a hint for you. Now see here students, it is not the pot but the bird. Now let's see the last word, relax. The meaning of relax is free from tension. For example, breathing exercise helps you to relax. You know students, we do many things to relax ourselves. Sometimes we take holidays. Sometimes it's just the good music which relaxes us. So can you make sentence by using this word relax? Here is a hint for you. See this picture carefully and make sentences. You can write your answers in the comment section. Now let's come to the question answers. So the first question is to tick the right mark to the correct answer. First question. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? Option A, 4 o'clock. Option B, 9 o'clock. Option C, 6 o'clock. Think students, we have already studied this. 6 o'clock. So how can we write this answer? Neha's clock rang every morning at 6 o'clock. Now let's see next question. Next question is, what did the bird say? Option A, sleep on. Option B, wake up. Option C, go and play. Think about this one students. When birds were sitting at the windowsill, what did they decide to do? Yes, they decided to wake Neha up. So we will write this answer as the bird said, "Wake up." Now let's come to the third question. Question number 3 is, what is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Option A, our body clock. Option B, our eyes. Or option C, our feet. Think, students. What did Neha's mother told her when she woke up by herself? Yes, it's our body clock. So the answer will be, our body clock makes us get up at the same time every day. Now let's come to the next question. Question number 2 is, you have to put the letters in the right order and one has been done for you. Option A, the letters are ILESM. Answer is smile. Option B, MRALA. Now students, try to put these letters in a meaningful word. What is this? Yes, you have got it right. It's alarm. Now see the C question. OCKLC. Hint is already there. Think. Yes, you are right. It's clock. Now see these letters. NORMING. When do sun appears in the sky, students? Yes, it's the morning time when sun smiles at us. So the answer is morning. Now see the next one. Letters are EDORNS. Now you try to put these letters in a meaningful word. Here is a hint. This girl is snoring. Yes, the answer is snored. Now see these letters. WODWIN. Here is a hint for you. Yes, the word is window. Now let's talk, students. Tell me, if there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? We can wake up by the intensity of sun. When sun will shine, we will come to know that night had gone away and it's morning time. Or if we have a pet animal, they also try to wake you up because they always wants to play with you. Or it is the chirping of the birds. Sometimes birds sings melodious songs at our window and we wake up. Or it's the cuckoo, which is also called as the chicken song. Or is it your mother? I must say, students, mothers are themselves a clock. They do everything in time. They are first to wake up and last to sleep. Now there is one more question for you, students. What are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? By listening to the radio, because radio jockeys always announce the time. By watching TV. Where can you see the time on TV? Yes, on news channels. There is a slot at the corner which always shows the current time. And by predicting the weather, we can know whether it is morning, afternoon, evening or night. So now, students, it's homework time. Look at this picture. Here is a word, clock. You have to write down the words relating to clock. How does the clock make sound? Another word for clock. Then you have to draw one picture of the clock. Then you write, what do you call a clock in your regional language? For example, we call clock ghadi in Hindi. Then you have to write different parts of the clock which we have already learned through the clock song, remember? Now you have to make a sentence using this word clock. This is how you have to complete your homework. Now students, it's worksheet time. Students, here is a link of the worksheet that I have already prepared. See this. This is the worksheet for this lesson, Neha's alarm clock. So, you can download the worksheet from this link. The link is already given in the description box. And this worksheet is already been uploaded on my Google Drive. You can simply click on the link and download the worksheet. So at the end, students, I want to say that if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. My students, all of you hold a very special place in my heart, and I hope all the parents will work as a team with me.